Hi everyone, my name is Jessica and this is my first demo video. So to give some background on my project, I'm working on providing new support for per-user JavaScript extensions. Currently, Review Board provides support for administrators to add extensions that are written in Python. So this is the page here where administrators can manage their extensions. For example, we have this message of the day extension, and these extensions extend the feature set of Review Board in many ways. While it wouldn't be safe for individual users to install Python extensions, it would be safe for them to provide their own JavaScript extensions. So this project will allow users to manage and view their JavaScript extensions. Now I'd like to jump into what I've done so far. This is the account page for an individual user such as myself. And I've created a section to the account page called User JavaScript Extensions. So as you can see, there's a text field here allowing users to specify an URL, and this URL would be to the Java extension to add. Below that is a list of JavaScript extensions that the user currently has. So I'll just demonstrate adding a URL. So you just type in the path, click add, and then the list will be updated. Yeah, so there is another one JavaScript extension, and it'll display that my settings have been changed. So currently this remove button isn't implemented yet, so when I click it, nothing happens. So moving forward, there's a lot to work on. I need to write the API to manage the extension list, which will allow this remove button to work. And I'll also need to implement JavaScript code to load each extension, and I need to do testing. So that wraps up my demo. Thanks for listening.